Hello everyone, welcome to this online workshop. I'm Tenzin Wangyal Rinpoche. This workshop is on awakening the sacred body, the Tibetan yogas of breath and movement. Many traditions practice these practices of the body and breath, like in Hinduism, in Taoism. But these particular breathing exercise and the yogic exercise that I'm teaching in this workshop is coming from Bön tradition. And the Bön is the oldest spiritual tradition of Tibet. In its oral transmission or oral history, it says it goes back about 17,000 years. With these practices of awakening the sacred body, the purpose of these practices is to understand our sacred body, to understand the channels in our body, to understand these energy centers in our body, so-called chakras. So this is about clearing, opening, and finding qualities, enhancing those qualities, and manifesting these qualities in our life. So first, 9 breathing of purification. There is 3 channels in our body. These 3 channels is considered as very important in the spiritual development and personal development. Any form of real transformation, if need to take place in life, we think it's very important to understand this. And the second part is the 5 Tsalung exercises, opening and clearing the 5 chakras or 5 energy centers, which is to clear our conceptual karmic pain body, the conceptual karmic pain speech, and conceptual karmic pain mind. So each exercise basically, it opens these 5 locations in entire body. And the way it opens the 5 locations in the entire body is detecting that a block wind, which is related to emotions or which is related to conceptual karmic pain, body, speech, and mind. And then wherever it's located, through that particular movement and particular wind releasing in that area in order to clear that energy center, to bring more space and light awareness. So basically we believe these 5 locations are the sources of many quality which can arise in our life. They will only arise in our life if they are open and clear, and that's what the practice is about, trying to recognize what is blocked, and through the practices trying to open to find the qualities.